Nike reintroduces its iconic "Just Do It" mantra through a refined take on the Dunk Low, dropping this fall in a minimalist, collectible format. At first glance, the sneaker's crisp white leather base and off-white textured overlays suggest simplicity, but details reveal a deeper message. A scaled finish on the swoosh and toe brings subtle flair, while tonal "Just Do It" embossing on the heel and bold insole graphics give the legendary slogan new life. Custom inner tongue tags further amplify the storytelling, emphasizing the motto's enduring power. A soft gray-green outsole anchors the monochrome build, offering contrast without breaking the clean aesthetic. Part of Nike's lifestyle legacy, this Dunk Low speaks quietly yet powerfully, perfect for fans of heritage and modern design. Slated to release in fall 2025 on Nike.com and at select retailers, this understated sneaker continues the tradition of blending timeless branding with everyday style.